The new TI-84 Evo user guide online. It's quick and easy with short, helpful step-by-step videos. Here is a link to the Evo user guide. When you land there, this is a 5-minute video that overviews Evo. And if you click here, you get to explore the main features, and these are all have videos attached to them as well. Again, this is the link. Let's look at showing you the website and scrolling through it. So if you scroll through this, if you click on any one of these icons here, it will take you to a video or videos to explain them. If you click on Get Started with the TI-84 Evo Online Calculator, you can explore the main features here and notice lots of videos that explain each of these very clearly and very succinctly. For more TI-84 Evo videos, please visit this website. It is case sensitive.